There's another trail right there. We're at HaHa Tonka State Park near Camdenton, Missouri. This is a really pretty park. There's natural spring, there's nature bridge or two, I can't remember how many there are. There is, you're only going to be able to see it slightly, I think. Right up in there, there's a castle. And we're going to make our way up there. It's clear. You can see that, the weeds and stuff. Spring, ooh, get my finger in the right spot there. It comes out over in there. I don't know if you can see it. Just trying to get down. I don't think we get up any closer than that. That looks like it's probably pretty deep right there, isn't it? But it's nice and clear.
You do get a little closer.
Oh yeah, we do get up closer to the spring. I think there's like over 2,000 steps to the top to the castle. Does that sound right? What?
You're trying to kill me. My life insurance policy is not worth it.
Oh. Well, I guess let's just go home then. What?
This sucks.
I know, I'm already out of breath. Of course, we all know I don't do exercise, so yeah. Ooh, that's cool. I think the last time we did these stairs, I was in a lot better shape. That's really cool. And I was younger. So I'm sure you can hear my heavy breathing. Sorry about all that. Did take the microphone out though, so it won't be quite so enhanced.
As long as we're not getting some of the wind noise.
Yeah, hopefully you're not getting a lot of wind noise. So yep, we're still going up the stairs. Now, I said that there's like 2,000 stairs, but I'm thinking that my mind over-exaggerated it because it just feels like it's 2,000 stairs. But some little girls were coming down as we're going up and they were counting the stairs. And I think they we're getting close to 400. There's a, probably can't really tell. There's a ravine down there. So we're over here and we're still going up. But we gotta end up over there. And you can kind of see maybe there's some more of the stair boardwalk over there. Why are we going this way?
They really should have put an escalator in from there up there.
Oh, yeah. That'd have been great. So, there's a wonderful sign here at the top of the stairs. There was not one at the bottom. There was a frame, but no sign to warn you that this is going to kill you. So that first section that we walked up, previous to showing you the sign, was 316 steps. But as you can see, we're not done with the steps. We still have more steps to go. But on the bright side, we are now on the other side and getting closer to the castle. We still aren't to the top. This is pretty close. And we came from way down.
You can't even see it.
Way down over there somewhere. I don't know.
I think if we get a little closer up the stairs, you can actually see where we're parked.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll keep going. There's a little path with more stairs that lets you come up to this. And this is actually a water tower, or was a water tower that went with the castle. You're gonna have to keep watching. I'll have more details about the castle here soon, if I don't pass out and die from climbing all the stairs. Oh, we actually get to go in.
Cool.
So, I'm standing right in front of it here. It's pretty tall. It's pretty cool that we get to come in it.
Hope the pigeon don't poop.
Oh no. Here's some more ruins that go along with the castle. This is the carriage house area. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, because you just seen that car, and if I turn around, you can see all these cars. Now, how'd they get up here, babe?
They drove. And I cannot figure out why we didn't do that.
So what I'm thinking is that you're gonna walk down and get the car and drive back up here and get me.
No.
We are parked, I can't even see it on the camera, somewhere down in this area right here where all those cars are in that parking lot. We're down there. That's where we started. And then you might be able to hear, I don't know, the water down there is rushing. You can hear that. There's some of the trail right there. That's where we stopped and showed you the springs. So we walked up from all the way down there, we walked up here. And now the castle is right over there.
You used to be able to go up, right up to the castle and go in it and walk around.
Yeah, I mean, did they
Take pictures, take video, look out the windows, and now it's all blocked off because it is considered an unstable structure. So that's kind of sad that you can't actually get up in there anymore. It's been several years ago, but I do remember us probably have pictures like of the kids and stuff in that castle.
I didn't notice you could still see the black where it burned.
Yeah, I haven't told them the history of this yet. So I need to go down to the sign because I don't remember all the details. I do remember that it had caught on fire and gutted it at one point, which would be why you see a lot of the what do you call that? Not cinder, is soot. That's the word, on the sides. But I mean, you can kind of see in there, sort of see that there's, you know, the walls dividing what would have been the different rooms. Yeah, there was a decorative fountain there. It's really a shame because at some point it's probably all gonna come tumbling down. That is a little cart that they used to pull the rock up here to build this castle. Mules were hooked to that cart and brought the rock up here. So I'm going to spin you around. We're actually on the back side of the castle here. Just kind of walk around. There's another lookout point over here. This is actually, I think, a really pretty park, and you know, the castle ruins and stuff that goes along with it, I think, is just kind of a bonus. You know, I like stuff like this, so I think it's pretty cool. But then you also get, you know, the beautiful scenery that goes along with it.
See the pictures of the inside before. Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, it was. You ready to go back down?
Sure. Should have drove up here anyways.
Sure you don't want to go get the car and come back?
No, you're going to be tortured with me.
So now we must hike down the steps back to our car. We are going to actually bypass the rest of the stairs. We're right here at that point where the sign tells you there's like 316 stairs. We're going to bypass that, and we're going to take this natural trail instead. We drove by that building on our way in as you were watching us driving in. Yeah, that's the old post office. Well, I can see the water. We are almost back to the starting point. As you can see, there are more stairs. So no matter where you go, it seems like there's stairs. Definitely not for anyone with any kind of medical conditions that keeps you from, you know, hiking strenuous, because this is not an easy hike for someone that, I mean, it's not easy for me, and I don't have necessarily medical conditions. My knee's bothering me a little bit, but, you know. So keep that in mind, but don't forget, if you want to see those castle ruins, you can drive up to them, so you don't have to miss out on seeing that cool stuff up there.